Welcome again to Advanced English Language Academy. Today's class is the continuation of our previous classes that we took about the passive voices. Today I have come up with past simple tense and past progressive tense. And by learning the process of passive voices, you can change any tense into passive voice with no problem at all. And we have mentioned a few points in our previous videos. So go back to our previous videos. There are 2 more videos about passive voices. So if you watch them and you come to the passive voices of past simple and past progressive, so then there will be a sequence and there will be a series, and you'll find it very easy to understand passive voices. So today's class is about past simple and past progressive. So let's suppose I played cricket. So the helping verbs of past simple are was and were. For singular, we use was, and for plural, we use were. So cricket is singular, so we used was with that. And played is, I have mentioned in my previous video, that in the passive voices, we will always use the third form of verb. Only third form of verb is used in the passive voices. If you use any other verb, it's not passive voice, right? So cricket is singular. We put was with it because, as I said, that the helping verbs of past simple are was and were. So cricket was played by me. We took classes. Classes, because it is the object, so we put it in the beginning of the sentence. And because classes is plural, so we used were with that. Classes were taken by us. Us is the objective case of we, and me is the objective case of I. And as I have mentioned in my previous video, that we'll have to use objective case and passive voices. Past progressive tense. The helping verbs are was being and were being. With singular, we'll have to use was being, and with plural, we'll have to use were being. So, for example, I was playing cricket. Cricket was being played by me. Because cricket is singular, so we used was with that. And being was used for ing. Because it's fourth form of verb. Playing is fourth form of verb, so we introduced fourth form of be. Ing there, ing here. So if you are confused about being, don't be confused. Just think about ing here and then ing here. So you will come to a conclusion that being is actually used for the ing that's been used in the main verb, right? And so I was playing cricket. Cricket is singular, was being played by me. And then we were taking classes. Classes is plural. Were is used with plural, being taken by us, right? So what I told you in my previous lectures, that it's very easy for you people to understand the passive voices if you just know which helping verbs are used in which tense. So if you just keep watching and you watch all our videos about the passive voices, so then you will ask in your comments that I should mention the helping verbs of each tense. Like today we did past simple and past progressive and past perfect. So for example, had been, and then future simple, future progressive, future perfect. So just, as I mentioned earlier, that SVO, so it will become OVS. Object will come to the place of subject, and then we'll put the helping verb, and then we'll put by, and then we'll put the objective case, right? So that's what we had here today. Keep watching and don't miss any of our passive voices classes. Inshallah, I'll come up with another video in which I will conclude all tenses passive voices tomorrow. Thanks a lot, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because when you subscribe to our channel, the whole topic will be visible, and you will be able to understand all the passive voices with a sequence. Thanks a lot.